Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable this site is trying to open this application prompt in Chrome browser. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Google. Click Chrome. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Copy text from description and paste it. Open and change value data to 1. OK and exit registry editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.